How to enable or disable wallet in Apple Pay to use cellular data on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wallet in Apple Pay. Next, tap on Cellular Data. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on cellular data for wallet in Apple Pay. When this is off, then wallet in Apple Pay will not be able to make payments where it needs to use cellular data. If you are outside and you don't have access to Wi-Fi, then it is best to keep cellular data toggle button stay on. And that's it. Finally, we can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.